This is my toys. This is shark, and color is shark is gray. This is giraffe. Color is giraffe yellow and brown. This is train. Color is train red and blue. This is rabbit. The color is rabbit is pink. This is bear. Its color is red, blue and yellow and orange and green. This is car. It's orange. This is color is orange and blue. This is horse. This is color is pink. This is elephant. Its color is green. This is frog. Its color is yellow. This is dinosaur. Its color